Very controversial question we often encounter is, which cloud platform should we focus learning on? But the truth is, it's very hard to figure out because each cloud provider has its own strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we're diving into the world of cloud computing with a comprehensive comparison of the three giants: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Whether you're a business owner, developer, or just tech-savvy, choosing the right cloud provider can make a huge difference. This is the Cloud's Guru, and join me as we break down which one of these cloud giants is the best for you. First up, let's get a quick overview of each platform. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, was launched in 2006 and it's the most mature and largest cloud provider. It's known for its extensive range of services and a huge global network of data centers. AWS is the go-to for many startups and big enterprises alike, thanks to its robust ecosystem. Next, we have Microsoft Azure, launched in 2010. Azure has gained significant traction, especially among enterprises, due to its seamless integration with Microsoft products. If your business relies heavily on Windows Server, Active Directory, or other Microsoft software, Azure might be a natural fit. Lastly, Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, entered the scene in 2008. Google leverages its expertise in data analytics, machine learning, and AI to offer a strong cloud platform. GCP is known for its big data solutions and is a favorite among developers and data scientists. Now, let's talk about the services each platform offers. AWS has over 200 services covering everything from basic compute and storage to advanced machine learning, IoT, and game development. Services like EC2 for compute, S3 for storage, and RDS for databases are industry's standards. Azure offers a comparable suite of services with over 200 products. It excels in hybrid cloud solutions, which combine on-premises and cloud resources. Azure services like virtual machines, blob storage, and Azure SQL databases are widely used. GCP, while having fewer services compared to AWS and Azure, focuses on quality over quantity. Google Kubernetes Engine, BigQuery for data analytics, and TensorFlow for machine learning are some of its standout services. Next, let's discuss pricing. AWS uses a pay-as-you-go model with options for reserved instances for lower cost. While AWS can be expensive, its comprehensive pricing calculator and detailed billing reports to help manage costs. Azure also uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model with discounts for reserved instances. Azure is generally considered competitive in pricing, especially for enterprises using Microsoft software. GCP often highlights its cost advantages, particularly in data storage and compute. Google sustained use discounts and custom machine types can offer cost savings. GCP's pricing model is straightforward, and their tools like the pricing calculator are user-friendly. Performance and reliability are critical factors. AWS has the broadest global network. Its extensive reach ensures low latency and high availability. AWS Services Level Agreement promises 99.99% uptime. Azure has 60+ regions, more than any other cloud provider, ensuring a strong global presence. Azure SLA also promises 99.99% uptime, making it reliable for enterprises workloads. GCP has few regions but focuses on key areas with high performance. Google's network, known for its speed, is the same infrastructure used for their own services like YouTube. GCP offers a 99.95% uptime SLA, slightly lower but still higher reliable. Security is paramount in the cloud. AWS has a robust security framework with services like IAM, AWS Shield, and AWS Key Management Service. It complies with numerous global standards including ISO 27001, HIPAA, and GDPR. Azure also offers strong security with services like Azure Active Directory, Azure Security Center, and Key Vault. It complies with a wide range of standards and offers comprehensive security tools. GCP prioritizes security with tools like Cloud Identity, Cloud Armor, and Key Management Service. Google's security model is built on its extensive experience in securing its own services. GCP complies with major standards and provides a secure environment. So, which cloud platform is the best? It really depends on your specific needs. AWS is great for its wide range of services and maturity. Azure excels in hybrid solutions and enterprise integration. GCP is perfect for data analytics and machine learning. Ultimately, the best choice will depend on your business requirements, existing infrastructure, and future goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing. See you in the next one.